We're going down this one.
I didn't take that. Oh, it's working.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
It's kind of crappy out. Oh, it's so windy. Beep. Where we at?
That's not the right.
Are we at the park?
Oh, my collar. I shoot.
Can we go over here and look at this?
Oh, yes. I won't play at it. I don't want to go.
Hopefully y'all can see all that. Screen's black. And look at the sign. You see what kind of food they got?
Yeah.
I think they went over to the playground. We're about to go over there. And a bunch of stuff. Yeah. A lot of people here today.
Yeah. What are there?
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Hello, Mama. Bye-bye. Hello, Mommy. Bye-bye.
You going? You going? Ooh! Back up. We're going down this one.
I didn't take that.
Oh God.
You're there for that. I want to do that one now.
What one?
Yeah, Daddy.
Oh, you want me to go down it?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna step in my pockets. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to do that again.
Yeah, it's still rolling. You want me to go down? Oh, watch out! What you doing, boy? I thought you were gonna do the slide.
No, I don't want to now.
Oh, you don't want to now?
I want the birthday ride. I see you, Daddy.
You see me?
Yeah.
Can you slide down it? Hello, truck. Hello, bird poop.
Hello, Daddy's truck.
They said, hello, Daddy's truck.
Say hello, Daddy's truck.
Open that.
You don't need to open that.
Say hello, Daddy's truck.
Hello, Daddy truck. That's
You
funny.
cook supper?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have home chef tonight. This deal right here. And I was gonna get up on here and check my butt and everything, but they sent us the wrong ingredients, so I guess I'm not gonna do that. So instead, we have this deal from Walmart. Bacon cheddar chicken that we're gonna cook. Actually, Kira's gonna cook it. And Corbin.
Why? That yucky. Squeeze.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Alright, you gotta get all of it out.
It smells like
From up here. Here's what we ended up with. As the camera gets hit with water. Wonderful weather. Me and Corb, I think, are going to get out here in a bit and put some new speakers in the dash. We got some new ones for the rear hatch too, but he's not going to be able to reach those, obviously. What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing.
Alright, so today we're going to put some new speakers actually in the 4Runner dash. It's actually already got some aftermarket ones in there, the JBL, but I don't know, they were a little cheaper, and this one has a little bit of a rattle to it. But I'm actually going to let the kids do it. Y'all gonna do it?
Yeah!
Okay. Which tool do you want?
I kind of want to see what this one does. I want K tool.
I think that one's gonna be a little big.
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, which one are you gonna use?
I want K it. I can't do it. Oh, it's working.
Are you using it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pop it up? There you go, looky there.
It's attached to this screen.
Yeah.
Why is it attached?
And pop it the rest of the way off.
You have a coin stash in here.
Oh, hey, there we
That's
go.
mine. The bunny.
Good job.
Oh, I can see where the speaker went through.
Put that in your door panel over there.
Door panel. Door
in the
panel.
pocket.
You better not lose this.
There you go. Got you a new tool.
I think what happened. It looks like when you
It's a ratchet.
go to the ratchet.
A ratchet and a socket.
It looks like when you go to the doctor, they check your ears. That's what it looks like.
Oh yeah, true. All right, go back. You wanna take that and can you loosen that bolt right there? You see it?
Yeah. What do you mean, Bodie?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I have a bolt too.
There you go. You're doing great. It's loosening.
It's starting to fart.
That's where I can get it out. There you go.
Yeah, we were pulling out.
That's true. Alright, so Kara got this speaker out. After further inspection, it looks like the little speaker grill or whatever was actually pushing down on it. So that might have ruined it right there, but...
What do you want?
What you got?
Some doll.
You gonna put the speaker in for me?
Yeah.
Hey, boy, you gonna put this speaker in for me?
What is the cup?
Oh, you're playing with my cup holders again?
Yeah,
Okay.
I did too.
Okay.
He always plays with those in the back. 18 times, 18 times, 18 times.
What you covering your ears for, boy?
Because the squirrel, he thinks so loud.
So I had to put Kira in the back because we gonna do some more modification. So our one screw doesn't fit through the speaker. It's too big. So I'm gonna draw out the speaker and then we're gonna put it in there and then that's gonna be it. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Ain't that right?
I want to put that in.
You're gonna put it in?
I want to put that in.
Okay. I'll let you tighten it down. How about that? Okay. Alright, so Ray Ray's back in the driver's seat. She's gonna go ahead and tighten that speaker down and that side's gonna be done. You think you can put that cover back on there too?
What cover?
The cover that you took off.
Oh.
Was it the proper one? Not yet, after you tighten the speaker down.
No, maybe.
Maybe? Okay. Well, me and Corb are gonna go ahead and pull this speaker out. We're gonna go ahead and do the same modifications we did over there to this one. Same for the speaker grill here. I'm gonna go ahead and trim that down.
Let me see
And
that.
we're also gonna drill out one of the slots on the speaker so we can tighten it down.
My side have been. Hello, my side have been.
Say hello, what's your name?
My name is Connie.
Your name's Corbin?
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Logan.
No, your name is TV.
Oh, my name's a TV?
No, you're
Oh.
talking about the camera.
Oh, the camera's name?
Yeah. What's that name?
We're gonna go ahead and get it out. We got Corb's all done. Got the cover put back on, cleaned up, put in there. It's not touching the speaker or anything. Plenty of room in between it. I don't know, all those scratches. Notorious in the 4Runners for just getting beat up for no reason. Nobody even touches it.
Hey, what's your name? Daddy, what is it?
Talk to it.
Hello, your name is Camper.
Yeah.
I read.
Tell it what you did today.
I done a daddy truck. I done a fly. I thought it walk. Well, they put wall in it and hung like they be concrete. Concrete not in my bed. Okay. And I'm putting it in the ground. Say her name. My name's Kira. You don't know. I will. Are we playing in the ground? You win. I win.
You gonna let Kira record some stuff?
Hello, where's name?
We'll call it Kira Cam. I'm doing some more modification to the speaker cover so that it doesn't sit on top of the speaker. It looks like there's gonna be plenty of room though, so it should be good. All right, go record some stuff. Go have fun. Go.
Yeah, wait for me. I'm going. Now, did you just hear that drill vloggy? Did you just hear that drill vloggy? Did you just hear that? Did you? If you know someone I don't want to bed, it's because I'm sick. Okay, it's starting to get a bit dark. It's pretty out here. And the whole point of the show. If you're watching this video, type in your name down in the comments. Please not the people I already know. Like the ones from the Arctic. I've never been there before. I haven't even flown on an airplane yet. It's really fun. Daddy. Wow. Hey, I'm trying to see you. Hello. What's your name? Oh, no, I go back. You're so quicky.
All right, I'm gonna start it up.
Yeah. I never know what it's like in the front.
Huh?
I never know what it's like in the front.
Yeah. It's getting all dark in here now. Close the sunroof.
I'm fine with it getting all dark. I pop it. Hello. That's fine.
Hopefully our speakers work. I hear them. All right, we got our speakers in. They work. They fit. No issues. All right, we're gonna go play in the backyard for a few minutes. We'll probably end the video there.
I got that one.
What are you doing, boy?
I did pay the real off.
You wanna say goodnight?
Good night.
Say goodnight. Good night.
Even though we have already had nap time.
Yeah, but we gotta tell the vlog people goodnight. Say, like and subscribe.
What?